Hello guys, this is the walkthrough of simple CTF tryhackme. So let's get started. So let's start with a given. We have a given IP address. So we'll start with nmap scan. So nmap-sv and the IP address. So till the time nmap is loading, let's just check whether port 80 is running or not. And yep, port 80 is running, Apache is running. So let's try and brute force different types of directories like admin and like admin. See, it didn't work, so let's just like that we'll try and brute force directories and let's see which directory is working. So go buster dir -u, the URL, which is the website URL, and the word list. So this is the default word list I use, which is in share word list tab and common.txt. So this is the format of writing this. See, go buster dir, then -u is for the URL, and then it's going to try different types of directories. Status 403 is the one which we can't access. Like I can go here, I can paste this. See, forbidden. Just like this, it's going to try different types of directories. So okay, so this is these. I have already done this go buster scan before, and this is the result which we get. So this there is a website, there is a directory known as simple. There is also a directory known as robots. So let's go to robots, and we have some data, and there is some mic guy. So mic could be one of the useful information, but even mic could be like a pet name or something. So let's try different directory. Let's try this one, simple one directory. So simple, let's try this. So these three are forbidden. This is also 403 forbidden. We have visited this. This is the Apache page, and this is the one which we are here, and we find a CMS running. So firstly, to answer the questions, how many services are running under 1000? 2 services. And what is running on the higher port? SSH is running on the higher port, which is 222. So what CV are you using against the application? So I see a CMS page by CMS made easy. Okay, so I'm going to go to exploit DB, and in exploit DB I am going to search CMS made easy, CMS made simple, CMS made simple, and this is our results. And in our results over here it says that's version 2.2.8. okay, 2.2.8. let's again, I am going to use searchploit now. It's the same as exploit DB. So searchploit CMS made simple, and this is our result. Wow. So our version is 2.8, 2.2.8. So 2.2.8. so all of this will not work till 2.2.7. this won't work as well. So this is the only one which works. So this is SQL injection one. So we're going to use this one and this one, SQL injection. Even this is there, but we don't have any use for uploading a file right now. So let's use this one. So it's not verified. That's the point one, and we have a CVE. So what CVE are using against the application? CVE 2019, and yep, that's the right answer. So what kind of vulnerabilities is vulnerable to? This is SQL injection, the SQLI. It's SQLI. Yep. What's the password? Okay, so let's run this. So where is this? This is located on PHP web apps. Okay, the CD USR share exploit DB exploits PHP web apps and the name is, okay, let's go here and let's run this python 46635 46635.py. let's see. Okay, so firstly, if this doesn't run, you might have the several reasons. Firstly, don't do python 3, do it python, because this is made in python and not python 3. You can see I'm in python. Secondly, for to use this, they have given sample cases, which is here. This is one sample, this is another sample. So they have given us sample cases. And next, there's one thing that when I ran this for the first time, I didn't have this request library, nor did I have term color. So I did sudo apt install pip a python -pip. So sudo apt install python pip and python -pip. So after doing this, let me put my password. Yeah, so after doing this, you need to do pip install requests and then pip install term colors if this error comes. All right, and don't do pip 3 because that will install it for python 3 and we are doing it for python. That's why you need to have pip, not pip 3. So let's just run this. Yeah, this was the one this was the name, and this is how you crack it with -u. So I'll put -u as well, -u, the URL of the CMS, and word list, which they have actually provided us with a sample word list, which is this one. They want us to use this word list, so that's why I use this. Otherwise you can just use Rocky word list, which is an USR share word list Rocky. So again, if this thing doesn't work because seclist is not pre-installed, so you can do sudo apt install seclists, so that you have this text file as well. So press enter. Now it's working. Okay, so till the time that happens, let's exploit this thing, that whenever I see an FTP port open, it's like I always do a default script scan, which is -sc default script scan -sc, and let's put the IP address. Let's keep the same and let's just do it on port 21. So whenever I see FTP, I always do a default script scan. It's running, and even this is running. So you need to keep in mind that this is not verified, so it might give wrong results. Let's wait till this happens. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Yeah, here it is. So after, we can see over here that anonymous FTP login allowed. That means when I'll connect to this website, connect to this IP address, now if I'll type my name AAA, it won't work. Login field ls not allowed. I'll do the same thing again. This time I'll put my name as anonymous. See, I'm inside. See, successfully I'm inside, and this is a like I am allowed to go. That's why I did a default script scan, and now I can actually retrieve the files inside here. So let's go to this directory cd pub ls, and it has a file name as for Mitch. Okay, so let's go to cd music. So it won't go. Let's go to cd home. It won't go again. Now I'm only allowed to access a few particular area over here. So let's get this file. So let's see my local working directory, which is my home AA. So let's change this. So lcd slash pictures, lcd pictures. Yeah. So I've changed my local working directory, and now I'll get this file, get formich formitch dot txt. Yep, that transfer is complete, and I can quit. So one thing is for Mitch. So I think Mitch is a username. So we have one hint on the username, which is Mitch. See, even this is trying mitch. Oh wow. Oh, see, same results. So good. Again, let's continue. So Mitch is this one, and what? Okay, so Mitch is the username. What's the password? So I think port 22 is like SSH is also open 2222. Let's go to pictures first and let's read out for Mitch. Okay, damn man, you have the worst developer I've ever seen. You have the same password for user system, and password is so weak. I cracked it in seconds. Okay, so weak password. So let's crack it. So Hydra dash L Mitch, because it says for Mitch, so let's use it. Dash P, let's use normal word list of rockq usr share word list rockq.txt, and then the IP address and the port. So for port in Hydra, you have to put dash S rather than dash P, because dash small p is for one single password. So dash S, the IP, which is the port, which is 2222. So yeah, and the IP port and the service, which is SSH. So Hydra is running right now, and it's going to crack. Okay, let's wait for this thing to run. So every time we have found a password, not the password, we found the username, which is Mitch. So okay, now it's cracked, and our password is there, which is secret. So good. So let's now SSH in SSH mitch at the IP. Let's see. Does it work? It's cracking here as well. So it's gonna work. It's just maybe the net is slow or something. Work. Okay, I'm just waiting for this to work. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, let's open a new window. Yeah, now let's again try SSH mitch at the IP, and the password was secret. So what's the password? SCCRET, secret. Yeah, come on. So we have found the email address as well. I'm not sure if this is totally right because it's unverified, so you can get wrong results. Okay, something is not right. It's not fault. And nothing's gonna happen with this refresh, but still, where can you log in with the details obtained? I can log in SSH. And what is the user flag? SSH. Okay. I can't actually terminate it. Okay, let me terminate the room. Yeah, so this Python file is not running right now. Let me deploy it again. So we have a username and the password. So this thing will actually try and crack the password, and this will give you some kind of password as it was giving here. And now I just need to wait for the IP address, and then we are good to go. So what is user flag? So we'll go into SSH and we'll go there, and is there any other user? So we'll do cd/home and we'll see if there is any other user. And for leveraging, see there is a very nice website known as GTF Opens, which lets you do privilege escalation. So whenever you get any like secuirty bit set or any pseudo binary which you can run, you just need to type it here, and then you will get its proper privilege escalation thing. So this is the website GTF Opens, which I am going to use for this step. What can you leverage? And then we'll get the root flag. Okay, just 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let me ping this. Is it working? Yep, nice. So SSH mitch at the IP. Oh my god, I did not realize this. The port is 2222. Okay, so the port is 2222. SSH is not running on the default port -p2222, and now it should work. Yes. Oh my god, so sorry guys, I just forgot about that port part. Now the password secret, SECRET. See, I forgot the port. It's not running on the normal port, it's running on port 222, and I need to specify that as well. Okay. Yep, we are in. Who am I? Mitch. See, so you can just cat out this file user.txt, and we are Mitch currently right now, and finally we are in. Okay, so let's go to cd/root, and we are not allowed to go there. Let's check the sudo file, sudo's file, so --l, and we are allowed to use only one command, which is vim. So over here I'll type vim, and in vim let's be sudo. So to be sudo user, here it is. This is the way to be the sudo user. Let's just run something like this, and now let's check. Now let's check who am I, and now I'm the root, and you have successfully completed this privilege escalation part. Now I can go to root ls, and you can cat out this root file. So user flag is the need directory. Okay, so we need to go to cd/home ls. So there is another username as sunbath. What can you privilege? So I can do vim, and all of this you can just cat out, and you have it. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.